Hi, this is Professor Monty, and we're going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions that don't have a common denominator. Okay, so the idea is to find and build up to common denominators and then add or subtract. So I'm going to link the video on how to find the common denominator to this video in case you need to review that. So the idea is I've got 1/6 plus 3/4. And remember, you cannot add straight across with fractions or subtract unless you have a common denominator. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the common denominator. So I'm going to take this 6, find out what the factors are. Well, 2 goes in there 3 times, so that's just 2 times 3. With 4, 2 goes in there twice, so it's 2 times 2. So remember what you do for the least common denominator. You take one of the factors, and then you go to the other one and say, okay, anything this has that doesn't have, we need to combine in. Well, this has 2 2s. We only have 1 2 here, so we need another 2. And now when I multiply this all out, 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12. 12 is my LCD. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to build each of these up to 12. Well, let's rewrite this 1/6 plus 3/4. To get that up to 12, I have to multiply something that gets it to 12. Well, that's 2. Whatever I do on the bottom, I have to do on the top, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and I can multiply by 1 without changing the value of the 1/6. Over here, to get it to 12, I need to multiply the 4 by 3. Well, whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. Same reason. Now I multiply straight across. I get 2 12ths plus 9 12ths. Now I have a common denominator. Now I can just add straight across. So the 2 plus 9 keeps the denominator, and I get 11 12ths. And then I would reduce that if it was able to be reduced. This one is not. So I just leave it there. So I gave you one to try. 5/8 plus 1/3. The answer is going to come out to 23 24ths. Try that. Practice these. Make sure you can do this. This is one of the things that stumbles students in classes far beyond this one. As you go further and further, you're going to need to know this procedure. So do practice and learn how to do it.